I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll see how to install a bundle. When new bundles are shared or existing bundles are updated, they get added to the list on the bundles page. You can view and install these bundles from the bundles page as required. When you install a bundle, you install a copy of the bundle's assets and take complete ownership of them. Before installing a bundle, you must ensure that your account includes integration and flow access if the bundle that you're installing contains flow assets. So we'll see how to install a bundle. Firstly, you have to access the bundles page and go to shared. So here you could see a shared bundle. So click on install. So to install the bundle assets in new location, you can select create a new integration folder and flow tenant since your bundles are having both integration and flow assets. Or if you're if to install the bundle assets in an existing location, then you can select install assets in specific integration folder or and flow tenant. So I wanted to create a new integration folder, so I'll select create a new integration folder and flow tenant and then click on install. So once we install a bundle, we can edit the components install using the packaged component of the integration to change their settings and add or delete components. So I have installed my bundle. So let me open the integration asset of this bundle. So this is something that I have installed. So I can, as mentioned, I can add or delete components, or I can make any changes that are required for this particular component. So this is how you install the bundles. Thank you.